Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be comparing two amazing cameras, the Canon EOS M50 Mark E and the Sony Alpha ZV-E10. We'll dive into their features, performance, and help you decide which one is the best fit for you. But before we begin, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Alright, let's get started. Both cameras offer exceptional image quality, but the Canon EOS M50 Mark E boasts a 24.1 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, providing stunning detail and sharpness. On the other hand, the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 features a large 24.2 MP APS-C XMOR CMOS sensor with fast Bions X processor, delivering excellent image clarity and low light performance. If you're into videography, both cameras have something to offer. The Canon EOS M50 Mark E supports 4K UHD 24p and HD 120p for slow-motion footage, making it versatile for various shooting styles. On the other hand, the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 excels at video recording with its 4K movie oversampled from 6K, providing incredible detail and no pixel binning. When it comes to autofocus, both cameras perform exceptionally well. The Canon EOS M50 Mark E features improved dual-pixel CMOS AF and eye detection AF, ensuring precise focus in both stills and videos. Similarly, the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 utilizes advanced autofocus technology for quick and accurate subject tracking. In terms of additional features, the Canon EOS M50 Mark E offers a vari-angle touchscreen LCD, perfect for vlogging and composing shots from different angles. It also has convenient vertical video recording, touch record control, and a high-quality webcam capability. On the other hand, the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 provides a background defocus button for seamless focus transitions and easy live streaming with a single USB cable. And that wraps up our comparison between the Canon EOS M50 Mark E and the Sony Alpha ZV-E10. Both cameras are excellent choices depending on your specific needs and preferences. We hope this video helped you make an informed decision. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thanks for watching.